Oh, a nice bit of period Mason's Regency in very fine condition. An oval serving bowl. All the measurements are on the website. Standard sort of size and piece, but not when it comes to the mark, and we'll show you through that in a minute. Very nice heavy piece of ironstone. Absolutely in mint condition. The glaze on this is beautiful. Crystal clear. No signs of any scraping or marks. Now, when it comes to the China mark, something a little unusual. Plantation Colonial. Sub-branding that Masons were providing for this retailer in Rapids or Grand Rapids, Michigan. Carl Forslund during the 1930s and 40s taught Masons into reproducing Regency with his Plantation Colonial sub-branding on it, and there's the standard mark for that. It's in fine condition, very nice piece of heavy Regency, standard blockwork when it comes to the front, so apart from that China mark on the rear, I think this is probably going to go back over the Atlantic. How it's ended up in Norfolk in 2026 is beyond me. Probably never made its way over to the export factory, as some pieces didn't. Don't know anything about the contract. There's very little that you can find online about that retailer in Grand Rapids, Michigan. So if anybody does know anything about that particular history line, I'm sure there'll be Mason aficionados out there globally that collect this particular division or branding on the Mason's Regency line. Our website listing for this is down below. We'll pop a link in, a pictorial link, hopefully, if YouTube allow us to, taking you through to the website listing for this very nice vegetable serving bowl. Thanks for watching.